lovies, it's Shantel with Remy Girls. Just wanted to come on and show you our deep wave hair. A lot of times you don't get to see exactly what you're purchasing, and with our products we are really consistent, like really consistent, because we have vendors that we have been with, or they've been with us for the past 6 years. They know what we like. We know our product because we've been in the hair industry for so long. And so we want to come on and show you exactly what you will get, because a lot of times, of course, we're all shoppers. You go online, you see a product that you absolutely love, the pictures are gorgeous, and then you get it and you're like, what the what? So we want to come on and show you exactly what you're gonna get with Remy Girls. So this is our deep wave hair, and this is our deep wave in a 12-inch. Just want to show you how beautiful these ringlets are. They are super springy. They pull out really, really nice. This hair is butter soft, and this is hair just off of the shelf. This is hair that someone can purchase right now and it'll ship out to them. But I want you to see how the hair looks. There have been times that we have tested hair, tried out vendors that swore they had the best thing since sliced bread, and their hair just feels terrible and crunchy, and that's just not the Remy Girls difference. So we wanted to come on and show you the Remy Girls difference. This hair is so soft, I cannot tell you enough, but you'll feel it soon enough when you place an order with us. So this is our deep wave hair. These are a few of our bundles. We try to make sure that they match as best as possible. Just look at those curls, just too cute. I love it. But we make sure they match as best as possible. So for example, if you purchase one bundle, of course you'll get a beautiful bundle of hair that looks like this. If you purchase 2 bundles, we try to match them as best as possible. Because this hair is sourced from India, sometimes the color, because they're in the sun a lot longer than we are, their hair tends to sun bleach just a little bit. So you'll have darker hues, and then it'll get lighter towards the longer strands of the hair. So we do try to match as best as possible. So you'll have almost like either twins or fraternal twin bundles, or triplets or quadruples when you purchase. Also, just want to show you one of the examples of our lace frontals. Now, with curly hair, a lot of times people's concerns is that the hair does not curl all the way up towards the top or towards the root. So we just want to show you with our curly lace frontal that the wave goes as far as you can take it. So it goes maybe a 1/2 inch from the root. So it matches basically spot on when you're installing the hair. So that way you aren't stuck with one type of style, having to comb this all the way out and comb your curls out to make something into a style. So we just wanted to show you a little bit of the Remy Girls difference. We hope you love our product. Make sure you go to RemyGirls.com. If you have not yet, hit that button at the bottom and subscribe, and make sure you tell your friends about us. Thanks, guys.